Fagron supplies more than 100,000 customers across Europe with raw materials in the specific quantities they require. And our unrivaled customer service ensures that they get what they need, when they need it. Our unique position in the market makes Fagron's conditioning offer attractive to not only pharmacies, hospitals and secondary manufacturers, but also to API and other raw material producers. We call this our total compounding solution. From the moment your call is answered or your order is received, you access a process refined over many years with rigorous quality systems that ensure we have the raw materials and products that you need. Behind the scenes, we've been preparing for your call. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how Fagron staff work to help you focus on your patient's medicine, confident that with Fagron it will be made with the right material, of the right quality, at the right time. So, how do we prepare? By having an extensive core range of products developed through years of working closely with our customers and suppliers and understanding their requirements. Your specific product need can add to this range and will become the priority for Fagron's commercial purchasing agency, who source globally to identify the right suppliers. Our international quality management group then instigates robust supplier and product qualification to help guarantee supply chain traceability and integrity. Qualified persons evaluate the wide range of documentation that we demand from our suppliers and review the full independent analysis of the product. You can then access these specifications and batch certificates of analysis directly from our website. Our online database contains extensive documentation covering this core range. These are managed by your local Fagron company to give you access to the documents you need. Now we have the right product from the right supplier, and by combining all customer demands, we produce forecasts. From these, we plan and prepare to ensure that we have what you require in stock when you want it. Using our leading-edge company stock management system, we monitor and replenish stock, quarantine and release batches, manage shelf lives, rotate stock and print documentation and labels. Fagron services can produce around 1.5 million units annually, and though most are the familiar red and white Fagron packs, about 0.2 million are allocated to contract conditioning for major API suppliers under their own label. Now we have the right product from the right supplier, the right forecast and your specific product requirement, the conditioning process can start. It all takes place under good manufacturing practice at Fagron Services in their new purpose-built cleanroom facility. So how does the process start? When our bulk raw materials arrive, we check everything. Every container, every batch number, the shelf life, and the quantity and weight of the containers. Then we prepare internal labels, which are applied to every container, and we check those too. Checking is something we do rather a lot of. Before bulk raw materials can be used, samples are taken and sent for analysis. Materials awaiting analytical results are held under electronic quarantine. Final release by a qualified person takes place only after satisfactory product analysis. Fagron maintains a strict separate storage policy, computer controlled, so all classes of materials are held in the appropriate area. Fagron Services handles two main types of orders. The first is in response to the forecast, which results in planned orders for multiple packs. The second, from individual demands for non-standard packs, results in orders for one or a small number of packs, called specials. Whatever the type of order, staff will collect and check the order sheet, labels, raw materials, and the packaging materials. They will also check the bulk material against the order labels with a barcode reader, providing a further level of quality with go, no-go computer control. The assembled order is then transferred by airlock into the cleanroom suite. We now have the right product from the right supplier, the right conditioning area. And now we add the right people to ensure that you get exactly what you need. The combination of a stable, long-serving staff and a comprehensive training and development program for both new and existing staff reveals a rich vein of experience and expertise. Put this expertise into our state-of-the-art clean rooms and the results speak for themselves. Let's take a look inside our production area. Working to GMP guidelines, the technician will weigh or measure the requested amount, attach the appropriate labels, complete the logbook and batch packaging record, then use a barcode reader to ensure an electronic match of order, product, labels and documents. This is followed by a final finished product inspection by a quality inspector with a full documentation review. A pharmacist will review both the conditioning and the bulk release documents before allowing the order to leave the clean rooms. Once released, a forecast order will be sent to one of our good distribution practice sites, strategically located throughout Europe. If your order is a special, your raw materials of the quality you need, in the quantity you need, will now be priority couriered direct to you, wherever you are. This is the Fagron Total Compounding Solution.
That's it. That's it.
That's the one, yeah.